Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to buy and sell Bitcoin in Etoro. So guys, watch till the end as I show you a step-by-step guide, and I made this table over here so we can dive in deeper. So guys, you can buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dash and XRP in Etoro. And in order for you to buy a Bitcoin, just simply log in into your eToro account, and from there guys, just simply click on deposit funds and just simply choose your fiat currency. And after that guys, just simply go to the Bitcoin page and just simply click on invest. And from there guys, just simply choose between trade or order. So when you go for trade, you will buy at a current price, or when you go for an order, you will set a target price that when it reach that current price, it will automatically buy it. Now, another option that you have guys is just simply download the eToro Money crypto wallet for added security. From there, you can transfer Bitcoin from your portfolio. So guys, the secure way to buy a Bitcoin is with flexibility in buying at a current price, or if you set a future targets. Now, in order for you to sell it guys, just simply log in into your eToro account, and after that, just simply click on the portfolio from the left hand menu of the screen. It will be located on the left side, and just simply select the Bitcoin position that you want to sell. And after that guys, just simply click on sell next to the position, and from there a pop-up window will show up, and just simply click on sell again to confirm. So guys, if you don't see sell, you should be able to see there are three dots, and from there you should be able to see close, so it will be just the same thing. So guys, remember that if you sell a Bitcoin, it will add the fiat currency equivalent to your account balance. And the best way to sell a Bitcoin is during market hours or converting to fiat value in your account. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.